The Mercy Sunot Special Tribute. Bibigyan po natin ng pagpupugay ang isa sa OPM icon na si Mercy Sunot, vocalist of the OPM rock band Aegis. The OPM industry is reeling from the shocking news last November 18, Monday morning, that Mercy Sunot, vocalist of the OPM rock band Aegis, has passed away after her battle with cancer. Though their official Facebook page, Mercy Sunot's bandmates announced the sad news of her passing. The family of Mercy Sunot has not released any details about the cause of her death, but Mercy's sister and bandmate Stephanie Can